How to apply for quick loan on Union Bank. So if you want to apply for a quick loan on Union Bank, then first you need to open up your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and you need to search for Union Bank. Once you search for the Union Bank, you'll have the www.unionbankph.com. Simply tap on it and make sure to log into your account. So once you've logged into your account, you'll get to the home page and you will have the loans option. You can simply tap on loan, and after that you'll have personal loan. You can tap on apply to get a personal loan, and if you scroll down here you will have your personal loan repayment fee table. So this is the loan term and the monthly installment. You can simply choose how much will the loan cost. You can go with the options which are right here, and you will get all of the information about the term loan and the monthly installment. So under the loan categories, make sure to simply tap on the quick loan in order to get the quick loan in Union Bank. So you just need to simply go and choose the quick loan, and once you've chosen the quick loan, you just need to fill out the form, online form, submit it, and then wait for the approval. And that's how you can apply for a complete cash loan on a Union Bank. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.